Okay guys, I have the second solar panel wire in my hand. However, these ones need to be stripped and there's power running through them. Which is, yeah, that sounds really stupid, right? So I need to strip this wire without it touching a positive, plug it in, then do the same on the positive side. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I need to do this down here. I have to move my ladder and get some tools yet again. God. I'll move my ladder out for a minute. Grab my cutter and all that fun stuff. Okay. I gotta find my knife. Oh, it's over here. Okay, good. So I'm gonna bring you down here and we're gonna do this while the solar panel is kicking out power, as far as I know, because the sun's out, right? It varies how much power it's gonna kick out, but that's the way things are. I'm gonna spin you guys for a second, hold on. Okay. So, carefully, I need to do this while this thing is live. Bring the light down here. There we go, that's better lighting. And side cutters and knife. Now this is really stupid, guys. This should have been done before I even hooked it up to the solar panels. This should have been stripped and taped. So don't follow my lead on this. Make sure you kind of get your prep work done. This was kind of an afterthought, but you know, it happens, I guess. Now I'm keeping my gloves on because I don't know whether or not how safe it is, type of deal. Now there's supposed to be rain coming again. God, I'll tell you what. There's no drought around here, that's for sure. But hopefully I get this wired up. See how there's no bare wire, I still gotta strip it. That's an issue. You wanna have that done before you do what I'm doing right now. Because this is hooked up to the roof right now and there's potentially power going through here. I took precautions, I got gloves. I don't know, like, just don't do this at home, okay guys? You could possibly hurt yourself or wreck your solar panel. I pray to God we don't have either issues. This is only 12 volt with 5 amps. Well, in full sunlight. I don't know if right now, I don't have my eyes or head out the window to tell how bright a sun we're getting right now. It could be cloudy. Like I said, there's supposed to be rain coming. This would actually be best done at nighttime when you know there's no power coming through. So I could at least recommend you doing that. I'm not waiting for that though. I want to get these bad boys lit up for get it done in one day, actually, hopefully. Okay, I was lucky that I don't have work today, so I was able to get over here and work on the tiny house and get some solar in here finally. Other than my great light, that's actually been a real help. That's a lighting right now, and that solar panel's indoors, just sitting in the window. Go figure, right? Okay, now we're getting to the bare wire. So I don't think anything will happen because, you know, I'm on wood, you know. Okay. I don't want to become the ground. I think I feel power. Okay, that is stripped. I'm going to put this in right now before I even attempt to strip the other wire, because I never want these to touch. A positive and negative, no bueno toucho. Okay? So this is going to be hooked up right now. I am going to spin you guys one more time, so close your eyes if you get sick. I warned you. Okay, I'm going to tilt you up, bring my ladder back, and plug this into the negative. Actually, no, I can reach it. I don't need my ladder, because the negative is right up there. Ugh. Negative is bus bars there. That's where this guy's going. Do I have my straight plate? Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, negative wire is about to be plugged in. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys so you can actually see me do. Yeah, there you go. Okay, no sparks, please. Please. Oh, let me open that up a little more. And then I have to adjust the wire. Always wear gloves, guys. Even with the low voltage. It's not worth messing around. Oh crap. I think I feel power there, which is kind of crazy. Okay, we're in. Now I just need to tighten it with my screwdriver, and then we'll be okay. Nice tight connection. Okay, now what I'm going to do right now is put one of those things up to hold the wire, because I don't want stress on there. So I need to grab that quickly, change this thing out, grab a screw and a little strap here, guys. Hold on, because I do not want that wire going anywhere. I'm sure it's not, but I just don't like the look of that pulling down like that. Well, that kind of semi holds it up. Anyway, yeah, that's better than nothing. Okay, good. So the negative's done. Now I gotta do the positive. Fun. So I'll bring you guys down and we'll do that. Now I gotta spin you again. Whoa, Robin. Zoom mode. Okay. Spinning. And we have to do now the positive. Now I gotta get these damn battery terminals out of here. So just in case they ever touched. So this guy has to be peeled off. And the wires need to be, exposed, and so on and so forth. And then into the terminal. And then that way the solar panels are now powering the bus bars but can't go anywhere because I have the switches in the off position. Now if you're going to be doing it like I'm doing, I highly recommend getting the switches. That way you can work on this thing during the day and you don't have to come here at night with hardly any light and work on this. This one was really well taped. Yeah, I did not want this. Going anywhere. My dad hasn't been back yet because I said, well, I really do have quite a bit of work here still before I get the end product of free power. But okay, so as you can see yet again, maybe you can see, no bare copper, or aluminum I should say in this case. So I need to strip this like I've been doing and go from there. Now I'm sure there's way better methods of stripping wire than I'm doing right now, and I believe you. But I don't have the time or the money to be running to the store to buy a special tool. And this is some heavy insulation. This is thick. There's like 2 layers. So I haven't seen anything that'll do something that heavy, and if it's specialty, like what I think it's going to be, then it's going to be expensive. Oh, geez, just stabbed my thumb with the blade. Hopefully I'm not bleeding, but normally if you feel it, you've been stabbed. God, the lighting's horrible. I can't wait to get some get my actual LEDs in here. I would turn the camera light on, but I'm already at half battery, and I really don't want to do that because then I have to bring the power pack over here, have it, whoa, do not come near me, wire, because I'd have to power it via the power pack, and then I'd have all kinds of crap in my way. The ladder takes up enough room as is, I gotta say. You think they'd come up with something a little better, something real stable that doesn't take up a lot of space but can hold you. I know step stools would be nice, but they only go so far too. So we're getting to the wire, the bare wire now. And this frickin' wire needs to take a hike. I don't need any wire swinging over here and making contact and then doing something crazy. Why is this so stubborn? This positive just doesn't want to go. Oh, and that movement you hear in the back, that is the survival blankets. And they are, God, I hope that doesn't. I'm very quick with my fingers because I do not know if that's going to go wild or not. Okay, bare wire, positive. I need to move you up onto the composting toilet. I need to spin you, so be prepared. Here we go. And then I can position you over here so you can see what's going on. Possibly. Okay. Now, I need to bring the ladder over while holding the wire so I do not short anything or touch anything. because these are live. Now, like I said, guys, do not do this at home, or do not follow my lead on this, because I can't, I'm no expert here. This is my first time going. So I gotta plug this in. I gotta move you down some more. Okay. See if I can get it in frame, the bus bar. Yeah. Hopefully. This thing might spark, I don't know. Oh God, here we go. Last solar panel, guys. Last solar panel for today. I'm not gonna hook the other ones up until I get batteries. That's for damn sure. Here we go. Okay, no spark. Good. Oh, man. Talk about wire city. I'm really glad I put it inside this battery box, guys. You know how many wires would have been hanging in here? On the walls. No wonder people complained, eh? Okay, that's in. I'm gonna tighten it up a little better and then see what I can do. Whew. That's crazy. What a mess down here too. All right. No sparks, no burning plastic. We're okay. So I'm gonna shut this off for a minute and go to the next step.